things. I've been driving this train, years in this lane. There's no stopping this flame, cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, feeling straight, never stop, never changed. All the squads wanna play and I've got something to say. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Horseman channel. Today we've got some action for you. It's going to be a fun one, but before we even get started, please like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. And first of all, just thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. So let's get right into it. All right, today's menu is going to be the Boss 302. We're going to get the O2s replaced in this, aren't we, Jay?
Yes, sir. Got me some Bosch.
Got some Bosches right here.
She's cutting out on the big end. As a matter of fact, I don't even have to be in boost. It's just if you're like above like 3,000 RPMs, if you leave it there for too long, it'll just start misfiring.
Right.
I don't even know if the O2s is gonna fix it, but the one that's in this car is probably about 3 or 4 years old.
Yep.
So I'm just gonna replace them anyway, and then I'll probably do the coils next. And then if that don't fix it, maybe the injectors.
Right.
So I'm not sure.
And it
It's
only
like a
happens-
random misfire, so.
And it only happens when you hang it up there, right? Like,
Yeah, it doesn't even have to be that high. It could be like 3,000 RPMs.
but if you
Like
leave it
that-
there too long,
Yeah, it'll start misfiring.
okay.
So
That's
don't
strange.
know what it is. When I run codes, it just says random misfire. It doesn't give me one particular bank.
Okay.
So I'm not sure. I really don't.
Okay. Well, we'll definitely get it figured out. We're gonna go ahead and get them replaced, and also, in case you guys are wow, it's get some better lighting. Here we go. So we're gonna have some footage for you within this video. This is actually day 2 of the fun. We actually went out yesterday throughout Springfield, did some cruises, had a little bit of Mexico action, some 360. What is that? My camera. That 360. The 360 camera action. It was some good times, guys. Real good times. So, but right now we're gonna go ahead and get the Boss, get the O2s replaced. We're gonna see if that helps this problem out. And guys, guess what I also got in the mail today? I'm not gonna have it on today's video, but next week's video will probably have it on there. We got the Draggy. Jay,
Yeah,
you got the
that's
Draggy.
right. I forgot about that.
Yeah, so
I
we
forgot about that already.
got the Draggy. So Draggy's coming on. It's gonna be a lot of fun, guys.
Yeah.
A lot of
Yeah,
fun.
I want to show you something.
What's up?
We didn't
Let's take a look.
do this back, but I wanted to show you. Okay.
Okay.
This is how light that battery is, bud. Hold it.
What the heck? Guys, look at
The
this.
battery's probably 50, 60 pounds. I think that battery's like less than 20 pounds.
Jeez. Guys, lightweight battery. This is the one to go with. Here, take it back so I can
Yeah.
give a good camera angle on that. Look at that.
Yeah.
That's the
These-
one you want to go with, guys.
This is a lightweight, and this thing
Weight savings.
puts out some power.
Weight savings.
Oh,
Oh,
hit!
don't hit your head on that.
Doing. So yeah, I wanted to show you that one because that one shaved a bunch of weight.
All right. I'm gonna have to go with. I'm gonna have to check
Versus
that
I
out.
think the other one. I think my other one was like
And it-
60 pounds.
Yeah, and it lasts how long?
Like 8 to 10 years.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Eight
So if
to
it ever goes dead, it's got like a failsafe built into the battery, but you'll just hit this button
Okay.
and it will jump start the car.
What?
Yeah. And if you don't feel like popping the hood, it comes with. I don't feel like popping the hood, which I need to put this, but it comes with this little keychain. You hit this button, and it'll jump start the car for you.
Jeez.
Yeah.
All right. I like that.
It's $1,000 battery.
$1,000.
Little steep, but I was putting batteries in this car every
Couple years.
2-3 years.
And this one lasts how long again?
8-10 years.
8 to 10
So,
years.
and
Okay.
all my other batteries, they've been like about $300. So
Jeez. All right.
I was like, shoot, I'll just put this one in here and see how she does.
Yep. So guys, also, how you guys like them valve covers?
Oh yeah,
Beautiful.
man. I wish I could plug in the guy who I got these from. Maybe I can. We'll put his link in the description. I can figure it out.
Okay.
Somebody on Facebook. I will put his information down here. The covers. I mean, you just buy them. You're not sending them into paint or whatnot. You just get them at the mail. He's got a bunch of different colors.
Yeah.
You know, I had to get these because these are specifically competition ones. I had.
You had to.
I didn't have no choice.
Right. Man, that's
so they're
crazy.
over $200, which I mean, honestly, I think I think it's worth it.
It looks good.
You know, yeah.
It looks super
He's
good.
got blue. He's got like a nice like ruby red. He's got a bunch of different colors. So, we'll put his link in the description. We'll plug him in.
Heck yeah, have to. We're gonna have to. But yeah. All right, guys. The boss is here. But man, she's such a nice looking car, guys. Such a nice looking car. I love this car. Don't ever let me. Can't let Jay know that, but. Yep. So like I said, there is going to be some actual driving action in this video, and I want to show you guys some of that as well. We'll probably do that towards the end, but let's get these O2s replaced and go from there. The boy doesn't see O2 sensors. Yeah. Like they're supposed to be there, but they're not plugged in.
Well, no, but maybe they're all there. I wonder if they don't. I might be stupid, but
Jack up the car for no reason.
possibly.
Wow.
There might be an injury.
All right, guys. So,
Yes. Yep.
Wow. Hold up.
Yeah. We might have jacked it up for no reason. It's gonna be a pain job though. They're up top. This O2 sensor's right here. Yep. She right here.
Oh
She right
wow.
here.
That's not gonna be too bad.
Yeah, it is.
Where's the plug in?
At the bottom.
Oh damn.
Well, the bottom, I can get to the clip, no problem. This one here, I'm probably gonna have to take this
Battery
back
tray
out and this
yeah.
battery tray out.
Yeah, we'll have to do that. Oh, guys, looks like we jacked up the car for no reason. Good news is the jack we used is orange.
I wouldn't say no reason, because I think those connectors plug in down there. We about to find out,
We're gonna knock these guys out.
or we'll just run without.
We can just run without them. Weight reduction?
And I'll still gap that Shelby.
Oh gosh, he's going to guys. Look what that's what first place looks like right there. Okay, this is what second place looks like.
What?
Should we do?
We
You know,
will let
this
the
man
people
right here,
decide. Yeah.
he avoids 40 rolls at all costs.
I mean, this car doesn't make any boost in first gear. She does what she can do, but she doesn't make any power in first gear.
Right.
I'm missing this tool. Oh, there
Buddy,
it is.
no, yeah, it's called your pocket.
I know I just had this. Oh, I need a longer extension.
That is not what she said.
Where are your extensions at, Bobby?
Over here. All right.
Point.
All right, gents. We got the O2s replaced. Wasn't that bad, honestly. What do you think, right, Jay? Not too bad?
Just rerouting the wires, but
Right. So they're replaced now. We're about to get the car back on the ground, fire it up. As far as like seeing what it does for you guys, or like, reporting back to you and letting you know the results and if it fixed it or not, we'll get back to you. It might be next video, and we'll just keep you posted on it. But we're gonna go ahead and get it buttoned up for now. Do that, and that's pretty much about all I got. What about you, Jay?
hopefully everything. So I don't know if you can even visually tell, but I got the old O2s on top of the cage.
Yeah.
I mean, they don't. I don't know what a bad O2 looks like, to be honest with you.
So this is what they were looking like, and like he said, we don't really know what we're looking at to know if it's bad or not, but that's where they were. So, but they are now replaced. Got some brand new ones up in here. He's getting his battery tray put back in. About to get the old girl put back on the ground and go from there. So yeah, that's about it.
I'll rip it on the way home and see if
There we go.
it makes a difference.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. And we can go from there. But all right, y'all, I'll go ahead and do that. In the meantime, please like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. We'll keep you posted on this, don't worry. And until next time, what's in your stables? What is it? You got anything, Jay? You got anything?
Yeah. Y'all clearly know this is the faster car.
Oh gosh, here we go.
They're running about
Guys,
9.
he ran a 10.9, I ran a 10.6. That's enough said. Enough said right there.
Enough said. Enough
Anyways, y'all know what's going on. We're keeping it real on the Horseman channel. As always, please like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. As always, what's in your stables. And thanks for watching.
Back at the old wash. We got Simon on foot patrol. Hitting them wheels, getting them that deep clean. This is bay 1. Bay 2. Oh yeah, we got the Termi out. He normally does in his trunk, actually. That's Keith News Cobra. Just got this one. Just got it. Black on black Termi. We got Sauce Boss chilling in the back. You got it in?